Hi everyone, John Paul Briones here from InMotion Hosting, and thank you for joining us for the first video in our all-in-one SEO pack plugin series. Today I'm going to show you how to install the all-in-one SEO pack plugin in WordPress. Alright, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. If you don't know how to do that, a pop-up will come up on the top right of the screen. Click that to go to our full guide on how to log into your WordPress dashboard. Alright, once you're logged in, let's go ahead and click Plugins, and then click the Add New button. Over here in the search field, we're going to type All-in-One SEO. Wait for a second and you'll see the All-in-One SEO pack by Michael Torbert appear. Go ahead and click the Install Now button. Once it's finished installing, go ahead and click the Activate button to enable this plugin. Once the plugin's installed, you'll notice there's an All-in-One SEO menu item now in your dashboard. And you'll also see this Welcome to All-in-One SEO Pack page. It kind of gives you links to guides on different things for All-in-One SEO Pack. And you can also click Continue to the General Settings link here on the bottom, or you can click the All-in-One SEO link in the menu. It'll take you to the same page. From here you can see all of the available options for All-in-One SEO Pack, which we'll be covering in future videos. Thank you for joining us for the first video in our All-in-One SEO Pack plugin series. Feel free to like this video or comment below so we can bring you more great videos in the future.
Do you know the InMotion Hosting Support Center has thousands of articles, pictures, and video tutorials to help you out with your web hosting questions? Something for everyone, from beginners to experts. Join our community and sign up with your Facebook or Google Plus for free swag, prizes, and discounts. Visit our support center at inmotionhosting.com/support.